Hey friends, so we're going to be doing our school bus math story mats. So those are located in your math bag, and it looks like this. We're going to be doing the one on top here first. What you're going to need to do is there's a few, there's crayons and people attached on the back. So take those people off, and we're going to cut those up real quick. So we're just going to cut them on the black line. If you want to color it in, go ahead and pause this, and you can color it in, up to you. You can leave them black and white if you want also, so make sure you cut them all up. Cut, cut, cut. If you need to pause this, go ahead and do that. Alright, so now you should have all of your people, and we're going to be doing this first one. The school bus, and we're going to be using this story mat, and then we'll be using the other ones for different weeks. So what we have, and I'll also pull it up here so I can show you on Seesaw, but we're going to be doing numbers 1 through 5 on Tuesday, and then we'll do 6 through 10 on Thursday. So I'll show you how to do numbers 1 through 5 today. We're going to be using this mat to help us solve, so let's go ahead and read problem number 1. The school bus picked up 2 students and then picked up 3 students. How many students are now on the school bus? Okay, so it says the school bus picked up 2 students, so I'm going to go ahead and get 2 students. Let me place this that way so you can kind of see it. Alright, so I have 2 students, and they're on the bus down there. So you can kind of see that. Okay, they're on the bus down there. And it then says, and then it picked up 3 students. So I need to add 3 more. There's 1, 2, 3. So how many students are now on the school bus? Okay, now we're going to count the total amount of students. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just did an addition problem. We added 2 plus 3 more. Okay, so if you want to answer this on your paper, you can do that, or you can answer it on the Seesaw app, and all you have to do is write the number 5, or you can use the text box, but writing is pretty fun too. Okay, so now let's do number 2. It says, if the school bus has 9 students riding and 2 get off, how many students are left on the school bus? All right, we need to start with the first number. So the first number on there is 9. So 9 students are riding. So let's put 9. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, 9 students. And I organized it by putting 5 on top and 4 below, just like our 10 frames. So 9 students are riding and 2 get off, okay? And we're going to take off 2. There's 1 and there's 2. And the question is, how many students are left on the school bus? So let's count. Well, there's already 5 up there, so we know we can quickly say 5, 6, 7. Now there's only 7 students on the school bus. Okay, we can go ahead and write our answer right there, 7. All right, scroll down to number 3, clear my math board off, and number 3 says, Tracy and 2 friends sit on the same seat. How many are there on that seat? All right, so we have Tracy and then 2 friends. So there's Tracy, and here's 1, 2 friends of hers. Okay, it says how many are on that seat? Well, let's count. I don't even need to count. I'm pretty smart. I can see that there's 3 on that one seat. So up here, I can write 3. Let's move on to number 4. If you need to pause, go ahead and do that. Press play when you're ready. Okay, number 4. If there are 7 students on the school bus and 1 gets off, how many students are left on the bus? So you can see that these questions are a mixture of addition and subtraction, so it's going to go back and forth. We have to pay really close attention to what they're asking. So let's start with our first number. If there are 7 students, all right, important number, 7. Let's put 7 students. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, if there are 7 students on the school bus and 1 gets off, all right, how many are we taking off? 1. How many students are left on the bus? All right, let's count. We know their top is 5 6. All right, only 6 are left, so I'm going to go ahead and write that just like I did the other ones up on my seesaw. And we only have one more question left for today. Clear my board. All right, let's do number 5. Okay, so it says there are 7 students on the bus. 2 are sitting on the right side. How many are on the left side? Okay, so let's see. There's a few ways that we can solve this. First, the first number I see is 7. So let's count out 7 and put those on our map. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I have my 7 students total because that's what it says. There are 7 students on the bus. Now it says there are 2 sitting on the right side. So I'm going to put 2 on the right side. Here's 1, here's 2. Now I have these left over. Okay, and it says how many are sitting on the left side. So whatever's left over is going to be on the left. So let's put those on the left side. Okay, so we have 2 on the right side, and let's see how many are on the left side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I know if I put 5 and 2 together, that makes 7. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and write that there are 5 on the left side. Okay, if you want to look at my seesaw, I have it up here. I wrote my answers in. That's all you have to do for this one, write your answers in. If you write your answers on your piece of paper, use the little camera over here to take a picture of it. Make sure you click that check to turn it in. We're going to be doing number 6 through 10 on Thursday.